Hello, welcome to the Optimus Plus training session. In this session we'll cover a number of things about the Optimus Plus, right from the very moment that you receive your package up to taking you through all of the screens and also connecting it to noise tools. First of all, we'll look at the package that you will receive through the post from Cirrus Research when you get your new Optimus Plus Sound Level Meter. So here is the box. This is what it comes in. It's got Cirrus Research emblazoned right across the front, but please remember to keep hold of this box and keep it safe, because when you send your equipment back for calibration, hopefully on an annual basis, then you can use this box to safely and securely send it back to Cirrus Research for the calibration of your sound level meter and the calibrator as well. So here is your silver carrying case, as I've just taken it out of the box, and let's have a look to see what's inside. So if I turn it around, I can open up the lid and then take these foam protective pieces off the side, and let's flip it up and open it up and have a look. So here is your Optimus Plus Sound Level Meter kit, and inside we've got a number of items that come with every kit like this that you buy. So first of all, we've got the sound level meter here. We've got our calibrator in the corner there. In here we've got our USB download cable and also a USB stick. And this contains all the documentation that you need for your Optimus Plus, or you can download these documents directly from our website as well. We have a very nice Cirrus pen. And lastly, in this part of the case, we have the batteries. So we've got 4 AA batteries for the sound level meter and a PP3 battery for the calibrator. In the lid, we have a couple of items. First of all, we've got a nice little thank you card, and it's also a product and warranty registration card. Also in the lid, we have an envelope, and this contains your calibration certificates for both the sound level meter and the calibrator. So in the box, as I said, you've got your sound level meter and your calibrator, and I'm going to take the sound level meter out and we're going to have a look at this. Your sound level meter will have a lanyard on it, and depending on the colour of the lanyard, that depends on which Optimus Plus you've got. This particular one is an Optimus Plus Industrial, and if you had the Optimus Plus Environmental, you would have a green lanyard instead of the red. And then we're also going to take out our calibrator here, which is this device here, and we'll cover both of these items in some detail.